Our exciting announcement in the pregnant pauses and quietness is that we have followed the market's development of larger cells and have started developing a brand new product line. So the new product line is going to be coming pretty soon. Most of you know that our existing series has mainly 60 cell products. We have the 330s, 330 blacks, 340 watt panels, but we were maxing out based upon the technology that's available at the market. Now, as you know, that most of the wafer manufacturers have started to expand their capacity into larger and larger wafers because they follow the semiconductor industry. We've got to adapt with that, which means larger modules are starting to come. And larger modules are going to need people to utilize split cell technologies. So we've made a huge investment and built up what we think the future is going to be for the next year and a half, 2 years. And so we now have a brand new production line and framing machine that can manufacture a split cell module. So increased reliability for us on that is we're now using a 9 bus bar design to increase reliability in the long run. Using the latest machines, it should enable us to get the reliability that we need to serve and create power for years to come. So a few benefits on the half cells. You guys have been probably selling it for a long time. But in cutting a cell in half, you do decrease the resistivity and increase the current of the module. So we're quite excited to see how they come out, and we'll be shipping them fairly soon. We're anticipating getting them onto the market probably in December, which is exciting. We're starting to build them now. Power classes for these modules are going to be a 375 watt module, and we're making another one that is going to be using the traditional WSP frame, and it's going to be a 333 watt module, which you may think is just going to drive you crazy, but it actually makes sense if you want to modulate a 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt system. Yeah, very exciting. And that is me. Over to Nigel, who has some fantastic questions and answers.